Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is in collaboration with Small Creator Sunday, and this is hosted by Tiffany from the Bro Girl Aesthetics, and she gave me the opportunity to be her co-host this month, and I'm very delighted about that. Thank you so much, Tiffany, for this great opportunity. The Small Creator Sunday happens every third Sunday of the month. So this month's theme would be Flip It Good. So I would be turning some of the items that I got from Goodwill, and as the title says, I'm going to flip it good. So let's get started. So let me start with this cute shell-shaped, I would say like silver tray that I got from Goodwill, and I think it was 99 cents. And I just wanted to give like a cemented look, antique kind of a look to it. So I just mixed like a white paint with some of the baking soda, and then I gave it a couple of coats. After that, I scraped down the paint that I just gave like a couple of coats. If you can see the design of the bowl, that's the look I wanted to give, just to give like an antique finish, antique look to it. You can see I just scraped all around the borders and some in the center. I just wanted to show the design of the bowl through the paint, and I hope it worked out. I'm very happy about this outcome. and I just decorated with one of the green garland with tassel. It was from my previous project. And the next flip is this beautiful water can, which is ceramic, and I got this from Goodwill as well. It was like 99 cents. And again, I painted with the same paint and baking soda mixture, and then I just scraped down those flowers. I just wanted to show through the paint and to give like a distressed look to it. And I scraped wherever the flowers were there. Those flowers were just popping out through the paint. It's giving an extra dimension to this can. And I also just stuffed a lot of flowers in there, pink color. And I also gave one of the twine, jute twine, and I gave a bow. And this is how I'm going to decorate my another thrift flip project. So I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this is one of the classic piece that I just love there, and you won't believe I got this for 75 cents. And this had like beautiful design going on already, so I couldn't just leave it there. So I didn't have to do much for this flower vase. I just filled it with some of these Dollar Tree flowers, and that's it. And then it's going along with the colors of the flower pot. And this is basically a jug, I believe, and I converted this into a flower pot. So I'm very happy about this as well, and let me know your thoughts on this. So these are a few of my thrift flips. So all these items I got from Goodwill, and they didn't cost me anything. I would say like $3 altogether. And I gave a new life to those, all three of them. So I'm very happy how these turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. So if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave in the comment section. I would appreciate that, and that will help my channel grow. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me today. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.